In the thriving economic hub of Southeast Asia, a Chinese printing and packaging enterprise is writing a new chapter overseas, driven by innovation, inspired by sustainability. This is Xinyuan Group Vietnam. Since its establishment in 2023, Xinyuan Vietnam has been committed to technology-driven innovation and uncompromising quality. Our vision is to become a leader in premium packaging in Vietnam, with strong capabilities, advanced technology, and a professional manufacturing team. Today, we have grown into a large-scale, modern packaging manufacturer, integrating R&D design, intelligent production, and customer service. Located in Bac Ninh province, just 1 hour from Hanoi International, the national airport, Xinyuan Vietnam owns a modern, self-built facility covering nearly 30,000 square meters. With over 500 employees, we are equipped with the world's most advanced pre-press and printing systems, including CTP plate making and Heidelberg XL106 presses. Our finishing line features state-of-the-art automatic laminators, screen printers, die cutters, and hot stamping machines. In addition, we operate world-class automation for premium box making, from case making and grooving to fully automated rigid box production, achieving a complete in-house manufacturing process. Xinyuan Vietnam adheres to a differentiated strategy in luxury handmade packaging, delivering comprehensive, high-quality solutions for global premium brands. Corporate culture is the soul of Xinyuan Vietnam. Xinyuan Vietnam adheres to a differentiated strategy in luxury handmade packaging, delivering comprehensive, high-quality solutions for global premium brands. Our capabilities are proven by international certifications, ISO 9001-2015 quality management with a social responsibility, Disney author certification, and FSC chain of custody gives us established, standardized, sustainable, and globally recognized management and production system. Looking ahead, Xinyuan Vietnam will continue to align with global supply chain transformation, expand international markets, and enhance our global delivery capacity. At Xinyuan Group, quality isn't just a promise, it's verified. Across our factories, Vietnam, China, and Thailand, every production line operates under globally recognized standards. We are FSC registered, ensuring all our paper-based packaging supports responsible forest management. Our ISO 9001-2015 certification guarantees consistency and precision from raw material to finished product. Through GMI and G7 color certification, we achieve flawless color accuracy and brand consistency across every print run. And with our ISTA-certified testing laboratories, we validate packaging durability through rigorous drop, vibration, and compression tests, ensuring products arrive exactly as intended. Together, these certifications define more than compliance. They define trust, reliability, and world-class manufacturing. We are determined to set a benchmark for Chinese enterprises thriving overseas. Xinyuan Vietnam is not only a packaging company, we are a modern manufacturer carrying the name of sustainability and the wings of technology. We look forward to building long-term partnerships with global clients, delivering packaging that creates value and enhancing the power of brands. Xinyuan Vietnam, inspired by packaging, creating a shared future.